from the stock market, where the Ghana Stock Exchange, as at the end of the first quarter, recorded an impressive year-to-date profit of 30.51%. Now, this has stayed the excitement on the market as investors are taking positions in anticipation for better returns in the coming year. TV3 Business takes a look at the top 5 best performing stocks for the first quarter of the year 2018.
As at the end of the first quarter of 2018, the GSE All-Share Index stood at 3,489.45 points, representing a year-to-date profit of 30.51%. Similarly, the GSE Financial Stocks Index closed the first quarter at 32.10% year-to-date. The worth of listed companies on the exchange stood at 66.1 billion cedis. The top 5 best performing equities for the first quarter of 2018 is led by SIC, which has appreciated 280% in value. Analysts believe its impressive price appreciation is partly based on the end of its legal battles.
When they had the issues with some investment that court had ruled against them, prices tumbled for SIC, and thankfully we are seeing some returns to very profitable ways for investors in SIC. SIC had all that it takes to bring a turnaround to investors, and I think that they are to bring very good returns, I must say, to investors, and I think that this is the time that investors are being rewarded for their patience.
The other top 5 gainers are Societe Generale Ghana, which has gained 181.71% in value, GOIL 85.50%, PZ Company 85%, and Mechanical Lloyd 66.67%.
Mechanical Lloyd has also had this issue of prices not doing well over a long period. The point in time, I think the highest they reached was 31 pesos in today's terms, and since then the price has tumbled down because performance of the company was not as investors had wished it to be, and they had sustained some downward performance in their books for a while now. But it looks like profitable ways are returning to the company, and they are being rewarded by price appreciations on the equity market.